Foxbody is getting up there in age, getting a lot more collectible. Finding a nice set of front seats is getting more and more difficult. If you have a low mileage Fox or you're lucky enough to have a good set of front seats and want to protect them, today we're going to check out these Endura precision fit seat covers from Covercraft. These Endura precision fit seat covers from Covercraft are going to fit all 1983 through 1993 Mustangs with the small factory headrest. They're sold as a pair for your front seats and feature heavy-duty construction. They're actually waterproof, and they're also padded for additional comfort. They're going to install with no tools needed. They're available in a variety of different custom colors, including the black shown here, along with different grays, burgundies, and also two-tone options. We're going to use this factory seat here to show you the installation. They can be installed with the seats in the car. The bottom piece will be a little challenging, but it's possible. But again, it's 4 bolts and a plug to remove it. It's a lot easier to take the seat out to install the covers. Now, the covers, you have a driver and passenger side because they have the cutouts on the back here. You have the opening for the headrests and even a pocket in the back. For the insulation, basically just going to slide it over. And this is going to get pushed basically through the seat. The Velcro connect on the other side. So we'll do the headrest. This one's actually easier to kind of make it inside out. Straps underneath and Velcro it in place. The seat bottom will also just make it inside out here. Take this rear piece, push that through along with the straps. Connect both clips here. Give them a good tug, get them nice and tight. Bring the side strap around. These seat covers from Covercraft are a great way to protect your Fox seats, and they can fit both your leather or your cloth seats. Even if you want to throw them on for the cruise over to the car show and take them off, they're still going to protect those expensive factory seats. They also add additional storage. You got a pocket in the back, one here and also one on the side. They should take no more than about 10 minutes to install and be back on the road in no time.